Hey guys, ibuhlungu indaba kaNonku noJojo, but at the same time, I've always said it will never last. Many times, it wasn't about being negative as well. It's just the truth, and we saw it. I saw it actually right through the two of them. It's gonna happen. Just it happened sooner. Yeah, but I was expecting it. Foot na say Mauritius, cause how now Jojo was ngangering. Nonku was just like, oh, Jojo guys, she doesn't have friends. So like really Ubube is her only friend. No, Jojo doesn't deserve this, guys. Nonku was that, and you need to be saved. I must save you. Guys, please, you must save yourself. How ridiculous is that? I had never seen anything like this. And then enforce her down her road. Your beliefs, you must force them to another person. Those are crazy things, guys. So, uJojo noNonku they went to unfollow each other. Hey, kwaphela kanjalo ku-umngane. Hey, yabona ama-fake relationships, guys, ayinkinga. I still don't even know what was that relationship all about. I am just like, what's going on there? We want to learn to So, Nonku, how she puts it to Jojo when they were in Mauritius. So, if you're not born again, if I don't save you, if you are Babadisi also, and you must become a Christian, then I can't be friends with you. We are born. And it's fine, guys. I feel like Jojo deserves better. She can have other friends. She doesn't have to be in a relationship where she must force herself. As like Nonku, but some stage she was crying at the lobby there at the hotel. Oh, Nonku. Go on. What crazy things are those things? Masukhalela umngani. And Nonku walked off when they were trying to sort things out. You know how she is, eh? Even Dosly and them. Nonku never understands anything. And that's exactly what happened to her and Jojo. She's busy saying, I wouldn't understand you don't get me. Just because you must instill stuff that I don't believe in. And that's not allowed, guys. That is not allowed. That's not right, guys. It's really, really unnecessary. Jojo, we didn't even have to see it. After the show and be like, you know what? We can't be friends. Who are Christians, not you. Then it's all good, guys. Yes, kabananga. We are right. We don't even have to have coffee. Afterwards, we'll hi, must bonan last or but they're still gonna say each other at the events. And then there's apparently also there is another rumor. 80 Unonku might not come to the reunion. But I just feel good. Yes, this is the second time Unonku will don't itafula on season 4. Akaqala Unonku masizophela season wenza kanje. Hey, uyathuka, but uthi born again. I'm just like, you can't be serious right now. Sweating? Please explain that to me. But at the same time, Futhi, you can't judge Nonku. My feeling Nonku ukuthi njoba esho ukuthi uNkulunkulu umbonise, then God show them. Ukuthi obana abangani bakhe. Then it's all good, guys. I mean, although I wanted them to work things out, the two of them, Nonku no Jojo, but angazi, guys, really, I really don't know if it's gonna work out. Mhlambe it's for the best. They broke up. Also, I just think they both need healing of some sort. Maybe someday they'll be friends again, you know, as guys, they stay in KZN, Mogalabantu, Munyu Agwas Gubugamganake. Someday, although Minasham Bengu Church, Bengi such a Pekonunku, hi Gabi, not to Mutobusanga TV, and blindsided me gain in Ganji, and I must actually believe Ugutungumganak and then I no. I wasn't gonna go through again with this friendship. Unungu means some damp for life. The thing is, you must just let go. Because now you are along first day. And Ojojo didn't really criticize Nonku's belief, guys. She didn't. She's always supported her. Who said, no, she doesn't really support me. Why was she laughing? Like I said on my review, why was she laughing then? Guys, she wasn't even laughing at you being a Christian. It wasn't even like that. Like I'm saying, Unonku never understands anything unless it's about her. Unonku fanele understand into efunwa yena labo bantu abathi ngifuna ukuza into engifuna ukuyizwa. what were you saying? And Jojo tried to explain herself until she cried. So I'm just thinking maybe good reasons, guys. As in using, you must just let them go. Guys, you can't force people to be in your lives. I've seen it with me many times. I'm just like, okay, what must happen here? And you are looking in a relationship, you just like, I've been giving and giving and giving, and then what must happen now? I'm done giving. I've been there, like I've been trying, I've been calling, I've been doing everything. Ujojo Pela cried, guys, in Mauritius. This is my friend. Please, no, please. I'm not like also. I was just like, how even you, Jojo, but I need to stop on TV. You can't do that to yourself, sis. You have just left Unungu to walk off from you. And be. Should have just let her be. That was my thing. I mean, but say, guys, we don't know. I don't want to lie. They are hating wherever they are. Chances are, because I think they were like BFFs, although it was weird, that relationship at the end of the day. Ngisambe lapho kancane guys ngoNonku benomngane wakhe uJojo bese kuzoba uSima kuthiwa abathi uGhostlubi ubemu yenza i-remote remote emenza emdonsa athi lalela shona ngathi yenza umuntu ofonelayo nje guys athi yenza i-video call ukuphi. Those are crazy things. You must just get out. And it's not the first time ephuma uSima kule relationship aphinda abuyele. Remember, he had a girlfriend uGhostlubi for 1 minute. Was it Siyamthanda or something like that? For 3 minutes, they took a trip to Durban or something like that. Angazi usukenzani uGhostlubi nalamanga akhe nale life yakhe yamanga azobe uthenge indlu ka 4 million. I'm just like, why would you do that? Hey, Ghostlubi, guys, like I just feel like angifuni ukusho into eyiningi ngaye, but my thing is that mayesezohlukumezana nengane, that's not right. And uyambona Shem uSima uyamthanda ngosami uGhostlubi wakathi, how you know, I was with Mac G and then he called me. He was like, do a video call, let me see you with Mac G. Guys, once you do that to yourself, you are done. They were laughing at her. So basically, uGhostlubi is a control freak. Not even allegedly, apparently. Yeah, we control freak, brothers. So ke uYanda Woods ke benozile ke bamohleka ke usisters ezama ukumkhulumela umuntu wakhe bathi nje kodwa inasi sister brothers akekho right. Yeah, this is why ngithi abanye abantu ubabona umuntu ebeka isimali sise ku YouTube amazinye ngaphandle wonke ucabanga ukuthi have right and all of those things mase sekutholakala umuntu akekho right. Bathi umgadana athi kuphi nobani, show me those people. Is there anything like that, guys? And I was even talking about it to someone before I did this video. I was just like, listen, once you start, there's going to be problems. And then we have now feel you actually like this. We are going to this thing. Remote controller. Those things are crazy, guys. Yo, that's the craziest thing. So angazi how she does it to uSima, but I'm actually happy with mhlambe they're not together anymore. Maybe aphele, guys. Izinto, guys, we must just let go. Like I've just said now, ngoJojo noNonku. Just as much as the sisho sesiZulu City and into engapheli yahlola naso nje, I've never really liked it. But I'm just like, since Kati, as in, once it's over, guys. Just move on. That's just my thing. It's hard in some cases and all, but move on. Sisame lapho guys, sazoqhubeka futhi nezitori ngoba noKelly Khumalo nayo bese busy futhi bathi besesho indaba zokuthi asinganqa kumuntu eshujubujubu uyangimangaza yazi umuntu mina. Happy Father's Day to us sinabo mama baba right. I mean, I get a happy Father's Day. I've been getting it at least for the past 10 years from my daughter. Even yesterday she sent it. She was asking, happy Father's Day and thank you so much for always being there for me. Yeah, it's not an easy thing to do, but and it's all good. But just to Kelly took it to social media. I say, how baba about decide umuntu she actually made a video uzoba ubaba when it suits them on socials. Ubaba social media. Ngoba mina ngimazi ubaba loyo And then she said something like, which is the truth though, I've seen it also with me. It's the whole thing yokuthi umuntu will end up coming up with stories zokuthi, I know she just doesn't want me to see my child. Is there anything like that, guys? I've never heard of it. You can't tell it's just my thing. And so noma yini elahlele phansi ukuthi ubona ingane yakho. So mhlambe ngizoyenza leyo video kaKelly later on, guys. Thank you so much. Ngiyithanda over.